What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. In today's video, as you can tell, we have a very first look at the upcoming Nike KD4 in the legendary Nerf colorway. One of the best places to pick up early sneakers, and where I picked up this KD4 Nerf early, was from Courtside NC. If you're unfamiliar, this colorway is an absolute classic. When this colorway initially released back in the day, first off, the Nike KD4 was a big hit. When you go back to when it released, I think it was 2011, you had the famous Weatherman colorway that actually just retroed for the first time ever, and also making a retro this summer for the first time ever is going to be this Nerf colorway. But of the two, this is the one that was more rare, hence why resale prices were over $1,000. This one right here is currently going for over $1,000 on the resale market. So needless to say, when this shoe does release this upcoming summer, it's going to be a big problem. When it comes to the design on this retro, all the details are literally the exact same. We got the Nike Zoom unit in the forefoot, the multicolored spank platter graphic on the shank plate, the blue and dark gray speckles on the black midsole, all the way to the Nerf branding on the tongue. Now, the tongues of the KD4 Nerfs are different. As you can tell on what here is the right sneaker, you actually get Nerf branding. And then on the left sneaker, you get the Nerf font in kind of that bright orangish reddish KD 35, but he is back to the number 35 with the Suns. For a short while, he did switch away from 35 and he went to 7 with the Brooklyn Nets. And in case you were wondering, yes, this is an official collaboration with Nerf brand, and the only other Nerf graphic or branding that we get on this is actually on the left insole. You get the Nerf branding inside, and then on the right sneaker, you get the Nike swoosh. Now, that same paint splatter can also be found on the sock liners of both of the sneakers, and you also kind of get that in a light smoke gray and dark paint splatter underneath the Nike swoosh on both of the sneaker straps. Now, the great thing about these KD4s, if you are a hooper and you're gonna hoop in these sneakers, the traction, the grip on this outsole is one of the best that's out there. So the grip is absolutely amazing, and that goes for any KD4, the Weathermans, or like I said, any colorway. Now, we have seen some shock drops for some of the KD4s in the past. Now, if you don't want to miss a shock drop there, I'll leave a link down below in the video description that will take you to our X account. We always send notifications for Nike sneaker shock drops. So whether it's this pair or maybe it's a Jordan or a Nike Dunk for the future, if you don't ever want to miss a shock drop, be sure to follow us on X and enable post notifications, and you'll always be in the loop. The official worldwide launch, not including, a possible shock drop, is going to be July 6th for the Nike KD4 Nerf. But let us know what you think of this colorway down below in the comments. I think that this is a really solid colorway. Of the two, the Weathermans, which I got them around here somewhere, let me grab them real quick. I just personally really love this Weatherman colorway, and I love the outsole on this. But let us know down below in the comments, of the two, between the Nerf and the Weathermans, which one do you prefer most? Like I said, I've already given my verdict, but would love to hear your thoughts down below in the comments. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. We're always making content like this here at Sneaker Huddle, and we'll catch you in the very next video.